In the flat Earth model, our sun and moon are similar in size, if not identical in size, which is of course what we physically observe. Our sun and moon cycle on a circuit above our flat plane. Our solar day or sun cycle takes 24 hours. Our lunar day or moon cycle takes 24 hours and 50 minutes. Due to our moon moving a little bit slower, it gains on average about 11 degrees distance away from the sun every day. This will be what causes the phasing of the moon. Let's envision we start as a new moon. When the moon is new, its cycle is bringing it close to the sun, and the sun is surpassing it because it moves faster. The moon is unlit at this time as the moon begins to lose the race and falls behind by an average of 11 degrees visually in our sky daily. We begin to see it start to phase, waxing crescent, and as it gains more distance between it and the sun, we move into the waxing gibbous phase until the moon and sun are 180 degrees opposite of each other. The moon is considered full when sun and moon are opposite each other, facing each other. As the sun continues to move faster and is now gaining on surpassing the moon again, it starts to lose its light, phasing towards waning gibbous and waning crescent. It takes the sun 28 days to cross the moon's path, and when they do, the new moon occurs. When their cycles line up perfectly and the sun passes directly behind the moon, we have an eclipse. Perhaps all other new moon cycles are simply traveling behind our sun. Here are some points to ponder. Many flat earthers agree that the sun and moon are similar in size. We also have done numerous temperature experiments proving that the moon creates its own cooling light. Moon shade is warmer than moonlight. Therefore, we have determined that the moon does not reflect the sun's light, but rather they have a synergistic or energy transfer, download, or charging type of relationship. Some say like a cathode and anode of a battery. I believe their cycling involves electromagnetic energy, and they are quantum locked in their circuit. My theory denotes that the moon creates its own light. However, it charges and gains its energy source from our sun. The face of the moon or portion we see phasing is always facing the sun. When the moon has lost all of its charge, it is new and needs refreshed by the sun. The sun's charge takes 14 days, which is when the moon peaks at full phasing, and the moon starts to lose its light again, starting the identical process every 28 days. Some flat earthers theorize there are multiple alternate luminaries in the sky responsible for the solar eclipse. I do not subscribe to this, however, my mind is open. One of the main reasons why some flat earthers think that an alternate luminary body is passing in front of the sun is due to the fact that the moon becomes completely black. My answer to this is from a photographer's standpoint. If you photograph an object with the sun directly behind it, backlighting the object, you get a perfect black silhouette. It's simple. The sun will be outrunning the moon during the solar eclipse. This is why the shadow will be moving west to east. I look forward to Monday the 21st of August. I will be documenting the event using videography and some photography. One thing I am sure of is that observing our sun and moon can answer a lot of questions. Stop relying on others to delegate your view on reality. Make your own observations. Trust your senses. Please enjoy your flat earth awakening.